Alright, time for a little rant video. Parts quality these days is absolutely horrendous. New, Reman, you can't win. This 2006 Honda CRV, last week, exactly a week ago, actually 6 days ago, I installed a Reman Brake Caliper on the front left wheel because the old one was sticking. Ordered it from Fisher Auto Parts, the SilentStop brand. Everything was fine until the owner of the car called me up today and said, hey, my pedal is going to the floor. So she's in town here. I was driving by in my work truck. I'm like, let me take a look so you don't have to, get another vehicle, tow it anywhere. It's a dangerous situation. Pulled up. In 1 minute, diagnosed it, pushed the pedal a few times. The front left wheel is covered in brake fluid. It is leaking out of the seal, out of this Reman SilentStop caliper. The store is closed. It's after 5. Can't get another one. Wouldn't want to get another one because it only lasted a week. So I went to Advanced Auto Parts, got a CarQuest premium remanufactured caliper. We have to install it, and it's a downpour outside. The owner, she's, at an appointment here at this building. You got to do what you got to do. I got my motorcycle rain gear on, so I'm going to jump out, install this caliper in the parking lot. It's just ridiculous. Who pays for that time and the new part and everything? It's really getting frustrating in this industry. So if you have similar stories, share them down in the comments while I go get wet and install this second brake caliper on this Honda. Well, that was a wet job. Customer just left. She's happy I bailed her out, but it all comes down to bad parts quality. I'm going to return this caliper to Fisher Auto Parts and demand a full refund plus an hour labor, not to mention that I had to do it in a downpour. I mean, it is what it is. So that's the rant of the day. Hopefully parts quality will get better, but it sure is not looking like it.